Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPad off, then remove any case and accessories to rule out pressure points. Once done, wipe the screen gently with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl to remove oils that mimic touch. You should check model and iOS version because some firmware bugs cause ghost touches. If phantom taps persist, boot into recovery/DFU or safe mode to see whether software or hardware is the culprit. This quick split tells you which path to follow next. You next tackle software. Update to the latest iOS because manufacturers patch touch driver issues. If problems started after an app install, remove it and test. Reset all settings to clear misconfigurations without deleting data. This often corrects sensitivity problems. Make sure to enable assistive touch and touch accommodations to test touch response and reveal errant behavior. If resets don't help, use DFU mode to reinstall iOS from a computer and restore from backup, which eliminates deep software causes. If software fixes fail, you move to hardware. You should inspect the screen for micro cracks or warping and consider digitizer replacement because the touch sensor may be compromised. Make sure flex cables and battery contacts are seated. A loose display connector can cause ghost input. If you're comfortable, replace the digitizer or have a technician handle microsoldering. Improper pressure can worsen ghosting. Finally, test thoroughly after repair. And if ghost touches persist, contact Apple or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.